In today's lecture, we're going to learn how to draw the human face. Now, I'm going to break this down into very simple steps for you. So the first thing we need to understand is that the human head is basically broken up into two shapes. The first shape is a circle. So we can go ahead and draw a circle on our paper, like so. Then the second shape is going to be the jawline. And the jawline is basically made out of a square and a triangle. Only the square tapers off a little bit, like so. And then there's a pointy triangle end to that square. Just like so. And depending on the person you're drawing, the jawline might be different. So if you're drawing more of a masculine type character, you might extend this jawline further out and make it more square. If you're drawing more of a girl or someone with more feminine facial features, you're going to also want to change the jawline or maybe keep it like this. It just depends on what kind of character. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw a line right through the middle of our head vertically, and then we're going to draw one horizontally. So you're going to try to find the middle of this line right here, and generally it tends to be towards the bottom of this circle. So it's going to be about 1/4 of the way down from this circle. Now that looks a little bit too low, so I'm going to bring that up just a little bit more to about there, and then I'll go ahead and erase this bottom line. Next, you're going to want to find the 2/3 and the 1/3 spot between this line right here and this bottom of your chin. So first there's about 1/3 right there, and then we've come about another 1/3 up. So we have 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the eyes in. So this line right here, that's the line that your eyes are going to be on. Now, generally, your eyes are going to fit on your head 5 across. So you're going to start off with one basically eyeball in the center of your face, and then you're going to have another eyeball right there, and then another one right there, and then you'll have another one that goes all the way out to the outer edge of your head. But we only want these two right here that are in the middle. So all the other circles, we can go ahead and erase those. We just wanted to draw them to find the placement of our eyes. So that means we're going to have an eye on this circle right here and an eye on this circle right here. Next, we need to go ahead and draw the shape of the eye. Now, at the beginning of this course, we drew an eye as our first project. And we didn't go into too much explanation of how the eye works, and I'm still not going to go into too much explanation. I'm going to explain how to draw the eye in the next few lectures, but for now, we're just going to go ahead and draw the shape of our eye in like so, and we want it to fit within that circle, and then we want to copy that over as best we can onto the other circle, only we want the shape of the eye to be flipped. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw the nose. So the nose is going to be down here at this next line that we created, or we could even come down a little bit further depending on how we want our face to look. If we want them to have a very long, big nose, we would come down a little bit further from that line. If we wanted it to be average, we'd stay at that line. And if we wanted them to have a very small, short nose, we would come up just a little bit. But in this case, we're going to make it about an average nose. So we're going to go ahead and start to draw in the shape of the nose. And don't worry if you don't know how to draw the nose, because just like the eye, in later lectures, I'm going to teach you how to draw the nose. For now, we'll just go ahead and draw that in and try to copy what I'm doing as best as possible.